Hey everybody, it's your good buddy Dave here. That's Dow Jones Dave. And we're looking at the trades we're in. And I'm happy to report that I actually didn't sell when the trades went negative yesterday. And so right now, the trade for me is up around, 2 or 3%. So call that a successful entry. And if you're watching my videos, and I suspect there are like 4 of you that are watching my videos regularly, and I feel like I'm talking to the select few. Yeah, I'm way up on the S&P now. I guess I should show my account. As you can see, I'm getting really beat up on Tesla. But I started with 282. I withdrew a bunch of money in 282. Not a bunch. I withdrew some and I had 282 left, which I put to work yesterday. And now I'm up 41% on the day. That's pretty good, isn't it? But that's after being hammered down yesterday after Tesla closed the gap after I bought in the upper half of that gap. Maybe one day I'll learn to be patient, but fortunately, it's kind of working out. Tesla's sort of playing along, but this is what I like right here, and this is why I held. By the way, the only way I held was after I bought Tesla. I didn't look at my account. I just watched the charts and I kind of got depressed. But I didn't look at my account because I knew if I looked at my account, I'd see all that red and I'd go, I'm out of here. And so that seemed to work. I didn't look at it, and now we've got a pretty positive day. Tesla's still, I'm still getting hammered on Tesla. The problem was I took September 8th calls. And normally I would go a month out to September 22, which gives me time if it goes against me for a day or whatever. So the fact that Tesla went down after I bought it really accelerated time deterioration. And so that's why it's actually, I bought Tesla right around here yesterday. But because it went down and went up, you see, it has to keep going for the options for me to make money on these options and not lose money on that contract. Intel's doing fine, kind of backed off from its highs. So anyway, let's get to the charts. I like this. And the hourly is kind of but it's coming on this little trend line right. If it breaks here, it's going to break out, which is what I'm betting on, and start making those $10, $12 moves. In which case, my options will go, well, they'll blow up. So this is kind of, I don't know, but look, it's leveling out, so it's indicating it might just move back up again, and that happens when they break out. So, and in the long term, it's got quite a ways that it could go up, probably up to here. I don't know if these trend lines down here don't work too well. But we have a lower low and a higher low. I don't know if that means anything, but we definitely have ourselves an uptrend here and a potential breakout on this trend line. So I'm holding. And S&P's just blasting off. And see, here's the MACD turning around. This is what we've been watching for. And, when it first starts turning up, not the line, but the red thing, and then when you watch, and then when this turns up, that's when you want to get in. So this is perfect for a multi-day hold on the daily. 5 minute, 5 minutes good. Looks like it's going to break out. We want to break out. Here's the breakout point right here, approximately. Yeah. So I'm going to run into some resistance there. That's drawn from come on. Well, it's drawn from this hump over here, which goes like this. Okay, so that's what that's drawn from. Could arguably draw it from this hump here, but that corresponds so closely with the vertical resistance here, see? So that's the S&P. It looks like it's going to break out to me, mostly based on this. God, I hate this. One day MACD. So now the scale's all messed up. All right. And Tesla's doing something interesting. If Tesla breaks this, it'll break up a little bit, probably at least to this. I think if the hourly is about the same, but if you notice, it's not, the blue is turning down sort of, but not really. I think this is going to break out too. I could be full of it. I don't know. This could just be resistance. We're going to go now. But with the daily MACDs where they are, this is, if it breaks, it's going to plus worth the zero line. A little bit late on Tesla, but the rally is actually, but it seems to be working out all right so far. If I just had gone a little bit longer term on the options. What else do we have? That was Tesla. Intel. Intel looks like it's making another one of these. At any rate, 3450 or so, right around here, is the goal. And if it backs off from there, I try to take profits. And if it keeps going, well, of course, I hold. If it breaks out, tries to make another one of these horns. So that's the portfolio so far. And oh yeah, buy it. This was all based on bonds, you see. And look at this. If you watch till the end of the video, you get what the whole trade is based on. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this. And if you go close, you can see it leveled out, and that's when I bought. And then here, that's when I bought initially. And then yesterday, I bought as it started to turn down. See that? It's only moved this far, and it's already down that much. So that looks pretty brutal to me. And likely to continue, maybe not at this pace, and that's the main reason I'm long on the stock market. So anyway, this is Dave. I'm checking out.